You and I are playing a game every day, and that game is called the game of life. Some are playing it unconsciously while others are playing it fully consciously. The ones who are conscious gets to choose what they want to experience. You might have heard that the drama of life is a psychological one in which all the conditions, circumstances, and events of your life are brought to pass by your assumptions. Since your life is determined by your assumptions, you are forced to recognize the fact that you are either a slave to your assumptions or their master. To become the master of your assumptions is the key to undreamed of freedom and happiness. Every day you are assuming something. You do it either by replaying the memories of your past or thinking about the future. Both of these things are forming or making your assumptions stronger day by day. As Shakespeare said, all the world is a stage and all the men and women are merely players. They have their exits and their entrances. Likewise, your life is a play. It is a drama, and everyone in it is an actor that is playing their roles. They are playing their part. They are following a script. Like the Shakespeare's play of Romeo and Juliet. All the actors at the theater are playing their parts according to the play and according to the script that William Shakespeare has written. The play will always end in the same way, even if the actors change, even if the location of the theater changes. The only thing that remains constant is the story. Whether your friend Sam is playing the part of Romeo or your next-door neighbor James is playing the role, in the end the Romeo will die. No one can save him because it is what the script demands. Only one thing can save him, and that is the change in script, that is the change in the story. You might have been in a relationship that ended on a bad note. Everything was going fine in the starting. You attracted someone, they chased you, they pursued you. It was all sunshine and rainbows. But after a few days, they started ignoring your calls and messages. It took a long time for them to respond. After a few more days, they ghosted you, ignored you, and later you found out that they were in someone else's arms enjoying the cold winter with some hot chocolate. You felt terrible and the relationship ended. In the next summer, you met someone at the gym. They got attracted towards you. They caught your attention. Numbers were exchanged, texting started, dates were arranged. A new relationship began, but after a few days they too ghosted you. You felt the same way like you did at the time of the first relationship. You cried in your bed, asking God, why it happens to me. Little did you know that only the actors changed, but the script was still the same. You will act in this play next summer too. Everything will be similar. Only the actor will change, but the story will go on the same. You might have seen many people in your life who keep attracting the same kind of relationships in their lives. This is going to happen again and again, unless the story changes. But who changes this story? Well, the author only changes this story. And who is the author? Well, the author is you. You are the author who is writing the story of your life, and everyone is playing the role that you have assigned to them. It is you. They are responding to your assumptions and your beliefs about yourself and others. Everyone in this world is an actor wearing a mask. You too are wearing a mask and a costume, and people are responding to that mask and costume. You can see people wearing a costume of a couch potato that sits in front of the television and stuffing their mouths with a bag of Doritos, while there is another that goes to the gym and tracks their protein intake. Likewise, you are playing a role. You have free will to choose this role of yours. You do this based on your mental assumptions. Everyone responds to this role. They act out their parts. These roles and parts are given to them by you. You give them these roles through mental conversations with them. You are writing and rewriting the script every day. You are exercising your mental conversation, and these conversations are playing out in your reality. The world moves with motiveless necessity. This means that it has no motive of its own but is under the necessity of manifesting your concept, the arrangement of your mind. And your mind is always arranged in the image of all you believe and consent to as true. You are the author of your life. You are the writer of your story. And you can change your story. Sometimes, instant changes cannot be witnessed, but if you persist in the new story, favorable circumstances start taking shape in your reality. Each of us is writing his or her own script. If you are dissatisfied with the play, it is up to you to rewrite the script to make it conform to your idea of what the play should be. You cannot demand that the actors in your play change the character they are portraying. All changes must take place in the mind of the author. So, I hope this video has helped you in some way. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.